A brand new guest coming out from Lake LA. Born in Long Beach. Came in through the cut. Ladies and gentlemen, Elmo Too Cool. Hey. Shitting on the game like I had a bowl of chili. Don't laugh at what I say, although it might seem silly. Everyone else at Elmo Too Cool can get illy. If you don't believe me, why don't you just ask Billy? Relief is stress, so I hit him with a favorite. Old school flavor, so why don't you freaking savor it? You might heard the beat and could have mistaken it. They originated the beat, and I ended up taking it. Anyone challenge me, you know I send them to the dungeon. Step up on the mic, concentrate, and I crush them. Diss me if you disagree, try me if I'm blushing. Chopping up your body parts and stick them in an oven. Listen, every single way I can beat you. The prophecy says I will defeat you. Frostbitten flows make your feet turn blue. And hey, I'm not on this beat though, dude.